Hi everyone, welcome to Naa's Kitchen. I hope we're all doing well. Today I have here with me some carrots, some lemon, and ginger. This is the kind of juice you can drink early in the morning to have your digestive system on the right track. So let's just get juicing right now. So let's start juicing, friends. My hands is already washed, and I have here 8 carrots, I have 2 lemons, and about 400 grams of ginger. So with my juicer on, I go in with my Okay friends, so here we have our carrot, lemon, and ginger juice. Like I said, it's the best way to start your morning. You want to get the digestive system running, jumpstart for you. I hope you'll be inspired to try it. You don't have the ingredients, click out of everything you're doing and run to the store to go get the ingredients and come make some. And come back and tell me how it turned out in the comment section. Thank you so much, and do not forget to subscribe, to comment, like, and share like you always do. Thank you, and see you again in my next video. Bye.